Hey YouTubers, Ron here. We're gonna go over Letsfit strength training bench. This is model number AE01. Alright, so first let's go over what's included. You're gonna get a user manual, a warranty card and contact info. You're gonna get our pamphlet about our social media and company info. You're gonna get this bench training guide. This will show you different workouts you could potentially do on this bench. You're gonna get 2 foot pads. You're gonna get a toolkit. This should have the hardware needed to install these. You're gonna get a footrest. And then, of course, your bench. Okay, so first things first, grab your bench. You're gonna open it up. You're gonna align this hole to the hole over here on this part. Grab your toolkit, open it up. You're gonna look for a pin with a ball, and this pin is gonna go in here. This will make sure it stays in place. Take out the rest of the toolkit. You're gonna get 2 wrenches, and you're gonna need them. If you have your own tools, better. And then you're gonna get 4 bolts. They're gonna have 2 washers each and a nylon nut. The nylon nut is gonna ensure that it stays in place. So you're gonna have to use the wrenches to put them in. Grab your feet, put them into these holes. You want to align these 2 holes to the foot pads. Then take off the nut and the washer, and then leave 1 washer in there. So you have 1 washer on each side. Just screw on the nut until you get both of them on there. Then grab your wrenches and tighten these up until they're tight. If you have your own tools, use them instead. Okay, once that's done, just flip it over and do the other side. Okay, both sides are done now. So just the actual benches, you're gonna have this knob here. From what I've experienced, it's best just to take off the knob. This threader knob has it has a pin on it, and then there's like a hole inside here, and to put it where you want it, you have to line it up to that hole. So now that this is off, you can move this freely. Make sure you get the knob in there correctly, because that's what holds this bench up. And then do the other side as well. Grab your footrest. Undo this plastic nut. You're gonna have two holes here, so you can put this in either one, and you could do it this way or you could do it this way. Okay. Once you get the nut tightened up, you're pretty much done. All right, now that your bench is assembled, don't forget to make sure the knobs are there on there tightly. That pin in the knob is what holds the seat and the back seat together. The pin in the middle holds the whole structure together, so make sure you have that in place always. You provided a little tool bag so you can put any extra parts you have in there. You can use this bench for weights, you can do it for crunches. You have this little footrest, and the footrest is perfect for crunches. So make sure you take advantage of that. If you have further questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.